Did you know that only 3% of the population writes down their goals, and these individuals are significantly more likely to succeed than those who don't? According to a study by Dr. Gail Matthews, people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them than those who don't. This staggering statistic highlights the importance of setting clear, written goals in achieving success. Welcome back to Tips Mayor. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind highly successful individuals who consistently achieve their goals. These individuals are the ones who excel in their careers, build thriving businesses, and create lasting legacies. They're the ones who inspire us with their achievements, and we often wonder what drives them to succeed. Despite our best intentions, many of us struggle to achieve our goals. We set ambitious targets, but somehow, we fail to make progress towards achieving them. We procrastinate, lose focus, and eventually give up on our dreams. According to a survey by the University of Scranton, only 8% of people achieve their New Year's resolutions. This raises a critical question: what sets successful individuals apart from those who struggle to achieve their goals? So, what are the 15 secrets behind highly successful people? Let's find out. The secret number 1 is having a clear vision and setting specific, measurable objectives. Highly successful people know exactly what they want to achieve and create a roadmap to get there. They break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks and track their progress every step of the way. By doing so, they stay focused and motivated, even when faced with obstacles. For example, if someone wants to write a book, their clear vision would include setting a specific deadline, word count, and writing schedule. The secret number 2 is possessing a growth mindset. Highly successful people believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and persistence. They view failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than threats to their ego or self-worth. This mindset allows them to take risks, experiment with new approaches, and continuously improve their skills. The secret number 3 is creating habits that support goals. Highly successful people understand that small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. They create habits that align with their objectives, such as regular exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient sleep. By doing so, they're able to maintain a high level of energy and motivation, which helps them push through obstacles and achieve their objectives. The secret number 4 is breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks and creating a plan to achieve them. Highly successful people know that accomplishing big goals requires a series of smaller wins. By breaking down their objectives into smaller tasks, they're able to create a clear roadmap and focus on making progress one step at a time. This approach helps them avoid feeling overwhelmed and increases their chances of success. The secret number 5 is viewing failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning rather than threats to ego or self-worth. Highly successful people know that failure is an inevitable part of the learning process. They analyze their mistakes, identify areas for improvement, and adjust their approach accordingly. By adopting this mindset, they are able to learn from their failures and apply those lessons to future challenges. The secret number 6 is embracing challenges and persisting in the face of obstacles to develop resilience and achieve goals. Highly successful people are not afraid to step outside their comfort zones and take calculated risks. They know that growth happens when they push themselves beyond what they think is possible. By persevering through challenges, they build resilience and develop the mental toughness needed to overcome future obstacles. The secret number 7 is prioritizing self-care and mental well-being by making time for activities that nourish the mind, body, and spirit. Highly successful people recognize that their mental and physical health is essential to maintaining peak performance. They prioritize self-care activities such as meditation, exercise, and spending time with loved ones to ensure they're energized and focused on achieving their goals. The secret number 8 is having discipline to maintain focus and avoid distractions. Highly successful people know how to prioritize their time and energy, avoiding non-essential activities that can derail their progress. They create schedules, set boundaries, and eliminate distractions to ensure they stay on track and achieve their objectives. By doing so, they're able to maintain momentum and make consistent progress towards their goals. The secret number 9 is being accountable for one's actions and results, tracking progress, and learning from setbacks. Highly successful people hold themselves responsible for their outcomes and take ownership of their decisions. By tracking their progress and acknowledging areas for improvement, they are able to make data-driven decisions and adjust their strategies accordingly. This accountability mindset helps them stay focused and motivated, even in the face of obstacles. The secret number 10 is surrounding oneself with positive influences, such as supportive relationships and mentors, to maintain motivation and guidance. Highly successful people recognize the importance of having a network of people who can offer encouragement, advice, and support. By surrounding themselves with positive influences, they are able to stay motivated and inspired, even in challenging times. The secret number 11 is maintaining a strong sense of purpose to guide decision-making and inspire passion. Highly successful people have a clear understanding of why they're working towards their goals, and this sense of purpose drives their motivation and focus. By connecting with their purpose, they are able to make decisions that align with their values and aspirations, leading to greater fulfillment and success. The secret number 12 is embracing adaptability to navigate uncertain situations and capitalize on new opportunities. Highly successful people are agile and able to adjust their plans when circumstances change. They stay flexible and open-minded, allowing them to seize opportunities that others might miss. By adapting quickly to changing situations, they are able to stay ahead of the curve and achieve their goals. The secret number 13 is focusing on continuous learning and self-improvement to stay ahead of the curve and achieve goals. Highly successful people recognize that learning is a lifelong process and prioritize self-improvement activities such as reading, attending seminars, and seeking feedback from others. By continuously updating their knowledge and skills, they stay competitive and innovative, leading to greater success and achievement. The secret number 14 is being decisive and action-oriented, taking calculated risks and seizing opportunities as they arise. Highly successful people don't get bogged down in analysis paralysis. They weigh the pros and cons, make informed decisions, and take bold action towards their goals. By doing so, they are able to capitalize on opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. The secret number 15 is maintaining a positive mindset and attitude, staying optimistic and focused on solutions rather than problems. Highly successful people cultivate a growth mindset, focusing on the possibilities and opportunities that arise from challenges, rather than getting bogged down in negative thoughts and self-doubt. By doing so, they're able to maintain momentum and motivation, even in the face of obstacles. Now that we've explored the 15 secrets of highly successful people, let's talk about how to apply them to your own life. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, author of the Harry Potter series. She was a single mother living on welfare, struggling to make ends meet, yet she persisted in writing her books. Despite facing numerous rejections, she continued to believe in herself and her work. Her story is a testament to the power of determination and hard work in overcoming adversity and achieving success, all of which are key secrets of highly successful people. Another example of a critical moment of change is the story of Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before perfecting the light bulb. He said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This quote highlights the importance of perseverance and learning from failure, which is also a key takeaway from our discussion on the secrets of highly successful people. In summary, the 15 secrets of highly successful people include having a clear vision, possessing a growth mindset, creating habits that support goals, and breaking down large goals into smaller tasks. Additionally, they view failures as opportunities for growth, prioritize self-care, maintain discipline, and surround themselves with positive influences. They also adapt to changing circumstances, focus on continuous learning, and maintain a positive mindset. Remember, it's not just about adopting one or two of these traits. but rather embracing them all as part of a holistic approach to personal growth and development. Also remember that success is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, growing, and pushing yourself to new heights. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and take a minute to think about which trait resonated with you the most. Then, head down to the comments section and share how you plan to implement it in your daily life. What challenges have you faced in trying to adopt any of the secrets? And which trait from today's video are you most excited to start implementing? Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more content on productivity and self-improvement. Also consider checking out our other videos for more tips on productivity, finance, and lifestyle. Let's work together to create positive traits and achieve our goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.